Taiwan happens to be a very small country,
Yeah,
but it has become a powerhouse of innovation and technology.
right.
What do you think are some of the pillars of this change?
Taiwan people are very much efficient. They work on efficiency. They invest heavy on R&Ds, product development activities, and the technology they choose.
क्या memory and storage का AI से कोई link है?
Yes, if people think about AI, it's like chatbots. But behind the chat GPT, all process going on the memory, data centers. Currently, जो भी चीज़ें अभी prices hike हुए हैं, just because of AIs.
Which are some of the industries where there is application of such storage and memory?
IPCs, robotics, medical, defense grade, defense application.
What do you think is the reason behind ADATA as a company's success?
What I believe about ADATA is that
आपको क्या लगता है आपके और मेरे फ़ोन में जो मेमोरी कार्ड है या आपके और मेरे लैपटॉप में जो एसएसडी कार्ड है और जो एरोप्लेन्स में या बड़े इक्विपमेंट्स में जो मेमोरी यूज़ होती है जो स्टोरेज यूज़ होता है वो क्या सेम रहता है या मेट्रो ट्रेन कैसे चलती है उसके पीछे का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है मेमोरी और स्टोरेज कैसे वर्क करता है ये सिखाने के लिए दोस्तों आज एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग पॉडकास्ट मैंने किया है। कुलदीप हमारे साथ आज जुड़े थे फ्रॉम ADATA। इनकी जो कंपनी है ये सेमीकंडक्टर्स एटसेट्रा पे काम करती है, इंडस्ट्रियल स्टोरेज एंड मेमोरी पे काम करती है एंड दे वर्क इन एसोसिएशन विद ताइवान एक्सीलेंस। हम सब जानते हैं कि ताइवान जो है वो एक्सपर्ट है ऑटोमेशन में, टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत आगे है और इस पॉडकास्ट में हमने डिस्कस किया है कैसे मेमोरी और स्टोरेज जो है हॉस्पिटल्स में कैसे काम करते हैं, लार्ज इंडस्ट्रीज़ में कैसे काम करते हैं और कैसे एक छोटा सा फेलियर इक्विपमेंट्स में पूरी कंपनी को कुछ दिन के लिए, कुछ घंटों के लिए, कुछ महीनों तक बंद कर सकता है। तो अगर आप फैसिनेटेड है ये जानने के लिए कि मेमोरी के पीछे का गेम, स्टोरेज के पीछे का गेम कैसे चलता है, कैसे सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री इंडिया में ट्रांसफॉर्म होने वाली है, सो स्टे टिल द एंड। थैंक यू कुलदीप, आपने टाइम दिया इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए। मतलब सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री जो है, मेमोरी इंडस्ट्री जो है, ऑटोमेशन जो है, ये पर्सनली मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट करती है और बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स से क्वेश्चन भी आते हैं, तो आज डिटेल में इसको समझेंगे। एक बार थोड़ा सा अपने और अपने कंपनी के बारे में बता दीजिए कुलदीप।
Yeah, thank you Rahul ji giving this opportunity and taking my interview. It was nice and good for me. Okay, myself Kuldeep Jaiswal. I have 11 plus years of experience in semiconductor domain. Currently, I am representing ADATA Semiconductor here in India. I am a BDM Business Development Manager in India. Okay, and about ADATA, we are globally second largest DRAM and SSD module manufacturer, and we have a Taiwan-based company. We have a factory in Taiwan. In India also we have a factory, and we have a consumer grade and industrial grade RAM and SSD both.
ओके, रैम एसएसडी मेमोरी कार्ड के बारे में हमने सुना है, लैपटॉप्स में, फोन्स में यूज होते हैं।
राइट।
इंडस्ट्रियल मेमोरी क्या होता है?
सी मोस्टली पीपल know about RAM SSD from their laptop, or SD card is from memories or from mobiles only. But there's a other application also which is we call the industrial application, automotive applications also, where different grades of memories are used for industrial applications like telecom industries, like ATM machines and medical applications, then industrial IPCs, where high reliabilities, wide temperature grade, high endurance, shock proof and all application where required industrial grade memories are required.
ओके,
Yes.
लेट्स से आपने मेडिकल के एग्जांपल लिया तो उसमें नॉर्मल मेमोरी यूज नहीं होती, इंडस्ट्रियल मेमोरी यूज होती है।
Yeah, based on the application, see how critical the application it is. Okay, सिंपल मेडिकल एप्लीकेशन है जो कि मतलब फिजिकली, तो उसके लिए नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर, लाइक आप समझिए मेडिकल ग्रेड में अपन एक थर्मोमीटर हुआ, एडवांस थर्मोमीटर, वेयर वी हैव टू स्टोर अ डेटा ऑफ अ कस्टमर का टेम्परेचर को मेजरमेंट करने के लिए स्टोर कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे इतना क्रिटिकल एप्लीकेशन नहीं है। वेयर द एप्लीकेशन बिकम वेरी क्रिटिकल, लाइक MRI मशीन पे प्रोसेस ऑल द थिंग्स। ओके, तो वहाँ पे सर क्या होता है कि जहाँ पे आपका क्रिटिकलिटी रहती है कि अगर एक मिनट के लिए अगर वो MRI मशीन बंद हुई जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मेमोरीज, तो वो आपका कस्टमर को हैम्पर नहीं करनी चाहिए। तो वेयर द कस्टमर रिक्वायर्ड अ रिलायबल प्रोडक्ट्स। ओके, तो वेयर दे यूज अ इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रेड, हाई एंड्योरेंस, हाई रिलायबिलिटीज, कि वो मेमोरी खराब होने की वजह से वो मशीन्स में इम्पैक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
ओके, यस। सो जो बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स हैं वो इंडस्ट्रियल मेमोरी यूज़ करते हैं।
डिवाइसेस जो बड़े डिवाइसेस हैं, मेडिकल ग्रेड डिवाइसेस हैं, वो जनरली हाई इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रेड मेमोरी से यूज़ करते हैं।
ओके।
Yes.
क्या फ़र्क होता है नॉर्मल मेमोरी, मतलब उसके प्रोडक्शन में क्या फ़र्क होता है?
See, I frankly telling you, consumer grade products are made from in a fab. There are two type of fab: bad fab and good fab. In good fab, you get a high reliabilities. Okay,
What is fab?
semiconductor fab.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
like all semiconductor made with the fab only. Like you know about TCMC and all that. They make a fab. Okay, from fab we make a devices, memory devices, ICs and all that. So in fab there are two type of fab. One is good fab and one is bad fab. So from good fab only industrial grade products are made, while consumer grade products made from the bad fabs only, because they does not require high endurance, because it is not working continuously 24 into 7. Okay, high reliability. It is just a consumer temper grade, and generally consumer grade products become cheaper.
ओके।
Yeah.
सो लेट्स से मेरे फ़ोन में कंज्यूमर बेसिक मेमोरी है,
Yes.
ठीक है, इसको मैं इंडस्ट्रियल मेमोरी में कन्वर्ट करवा सकता हूँ,
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं आप.
ठीक है। क्या कितना एक्सपेंस बढ़ जाएगा?
See, if you use, see, as I tell you, depend on the how much capacity you're looking for. But I tell you about 3 times
ओके।
price of
और
industrial.
मुझे क्या बेनिफिट्स होंगे उससे?
See, it's all depend upon your application. Like, see, everything's come with the price only. हर चीज़ के पैसे देने पड़ेंगे आपको. So, अगर आप मेमोरी इंडस्ट्री यूज़ करेंगे आप, तो आपको रिलायबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी. You seen that, like the phones which are having in 1 year they get damaged. Well, iPhones, their hardware is very good because they use a good quality of products in that. So this is the things only.
ओके।
Yeah.
What is one biggest misconception about people choosing storage and memory?
As my thinking, see, normal peoples, okay, they think that SSD, this much the capacity, this much the speed, okay. SSDs, this SSD and other make SSD are same, but this is not like that, okay. Depend on the application, you always have to select the products. Like application is industrial, where you require a high reliabilities, endurance, shocking, wide temperature grades, okay. So as per application, you always have to select the SSDs and RAM. Only speed and capacity is not a memory.
ओके।
There's other factors also on that basis we have to select a memory.
बिना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम लिए आप बता सकते हैं कोई कंपनीज हो जिनका फेलियर हुआ हो बिकॉज ऑफ बैड स्टोरेज और मेमोरी?
Company wise, see, there are a lot of application. Like you can consider a production, uh, automatic production. Okay, in automatic production, there's a system called IPCs. Okay, so see, if a 1 hour IPC can stop out workout, then your whole 1 hour production can stop and cost a very high, because your whole production manpower get in loss. Okay, so this type of application currently your data can be get corrupted, because you are not using high reliabilities SSDs and RAM. So these are the major causes which we are currently in market going on.
ओके।
Yeah.
विच आर सम ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज वेयर देर इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सच स्टोरेज एंड मेमोरी?
Like IPCs, robotics, medical, defense application, server applications, where required a continuous operations of servers. So their industrial grade memories are generally purpose using.
Okay. Off camera we were discussing, you said that it is also used in ATMs and
Yes.
metros.
So ATMs also require a high reliability because you continuously operation going on. So you seen that lot of time ATM gets stuck. See, sometimes just because of memory get corrupted, ATM gets stuck. So generally, high grade ATMs are using industrial grade memories only, because they need a high reliability of memories.
Okay.
Yes.
And metro stations also?
Yeah. In metro stations also, you need surveillance. Okay. In railway, people's only in railway, as per railway government only, they only recommend the industrial grade memories, because see, their data is very important. If data get corrupted, like and encrypted, we have facility for encryptions also, like for data security purposes also. So they always use the industrial grade applications. Okay, where surveillance going on, and some due to some low quality of SSDs, data get corrupted, so they require data for some usage and all. That's why they only recommend to use a industrial grade SSDs and RAMs.
And it's used in metro also?
Yes. For surveillance, in railway surveillance, they use only industrial grade.
What is the application in metros?
आपने देखा होगा कि जो मेट्रो में सर्विलेंस होते हैं, ठीक है ना, तो मेट्रो हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वाइब्रेशन, वो कंटिन्यूसली ऑपरेट करता रहता है. तो सी इफ़ यू यूज अ कंज्यूमर ग्रेड, आफ्टर राइट नाउ इन 1 or 2 months इट वर्किंग फाइन, बट आफ्टर 2 and 3 months इट गेट करप्टेड. Okay, so for railway application where the continuous vibration is there, EMI EMC issues are there, and they need no any encryption because they need a continuous data operations. So they only recommend the industrial grade for railway and metro application also. Yeah.
Okay. Most companies, when they have to choose between a reliable system and a cost effective system, they go for cost effective.
Right.
How expensive is choosing a cost effective
Yeah.
solution?
See, on that I only ask one question from the customer. See, how much your cost of 1 year fault, 1 year fault of a system. See, if it is a PC, normal PC, consumer PC, 1 year fault they can hold the work, okay. But if it is an industrial application,
1 year or
one
hour?
hour, one
One
hour.
hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. If it is 1 hour fault, is 1 hour fault, okay. Your production get whole hampered out. So it depend upon their applications, how much the cost effect.
Okay. Taiwan happens to be a very small country,
Yeah.
but it has become a powerhouse of innovation and technology.
Right.
What do you think are some of the pillars of this change?
What I think is that Taiwan peoples are very much efficient. They work on efficiency. They invest a heavy on R&Ds, okay, product development activities, and the technology they choose is currently very growing, very demanding, growing. Like they are good in memories, semiconductor. So the major reason behind it, their own proper on team and R&D, invest in R&D and the selection of the products which are currently on demanding.
Okay.
And these combination help to grow the country.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we hear this term Taiwan Excellence,
Yeah.
we get this message that it has to do something with quality and precision.
Yes.
What, according to you, is this Taiwan factor?
So, as per my best, when we heard the name Taiwan, it means excellence. Okay, it means efficiency. It means innovations. So they work in innovations in a better efficient way. So that's why Taiwan is growing very hard.
What do you think is the reason behind ADATA as a company's success?
So what I believe about ADATA is that we are not selling products. We are just solving the problems always. ADATA never sell the product. They always give us solutions. Okay, whatever problems. So the best thing about that and the team, we have a very good bonding with the teams. You can say sales, R&D, product marketing, and our HQ also. We mutually work to solve any problems, work out in the very innovative way to represent our company.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that one thing that you like the most about your company's culture?
So the best thing about my company is that we have a collaborative approach. Okay, we have to mutually work out. Okay, as you consider, I am from sales. We have a mutually coordination with our Taiwan team, HQ team, and we both have a bit good teams with the product marketing teams, and we have a whole contact with the R&D also. So these all collaborative approach things me are different as compared to the company to grow faster and solve the problem very quickly.
अच्छा, एआई के बारे में आजकल बहुत सुन रहे हैं, जिससे भी बात करते हैं एआई की बात करते हैं. क्या मेमोरी एंड स्टोरेज का एआई से कोई लिंक है?
Yes. See, if people think about AI, it's like chatbots, ChatGPT and all that. But behind the ChatGPT, all process going on the memory and their continuous operation of the memories, okay, like data centers. They all comes with the SSDs, memories and RAMs only, which do continuous storage and RAMs do continuous processing. तो AI मीन्स मेमोरीज. करेंटली जो भी चीज़ें अभी प्राइसेस हाइक हुए हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ AIs कि they have a huge demand of memories. Recently you heard about Micron, they have grown very fast, very high. Samsung, you have heard of Samsung, they are growing very fast. Just because of AI only. Today is the world of AI and digitalization.
Okay.
Yeah.
So AI companies जो हैं, they are your consumers?
Yeah, they are consumers.
Okay.
Yeah. We already supplying a lot of SSDs and RAM to the data centers.
अच्छा, अभी पिछले कुछ साल से इंडिया का फोकस जो है सेमीकंडक्टर्स पे, ऑटोमेशन वगैरह पे बहुत ज़्यादा है। अगले 5 से 10 साल में आप कहाँ देखते हैं इंडिया के?
So see, right now it's very boost in India for the manufacturing of electronics and especially for semiconductor. You had a lot of companies now entering, big kinds are entering the semiconductor and growing very fast. Okay, so I see a very good growth, very boost growth in the semiconductor, especially for semiconductor. Recently, you heard news about it. Tata is also enter with the semiconductor. They are starting manufacturing of semiconductor chips also. And our companies also started manufacturing in India. We have also a factory in India in Noda Sector 3, and we also hugely investing in Chennai also for starting our manufacturing plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old and how big is this? Is your company ADATA?
Yeah, our companies started operation 2001. We are about 20 plus years of experience. Yeah.
What is that one piece of advice you have for young professionals?
So for young professional, I always advise keep learning. Be keep learning is already a mantra for growing, and have a good in communication skill, and always have a attitude of learning.
हमारे आसपास कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल आप इस ऑफिस में आए हो जिसमें आपको लग रहा है कि हाई ग्रेड ऑफ या इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रेड ऑफ मेमोरी या स्टोरेज की नीड है?
आपके यहाँ पे लाइक द योर पीसी फ्रॉम विच यू एडिटिंग द थिंग्स ओके, तो यू नो आपके पीसीस में इतना डेटा होता है कि जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आपके लिए, आपके क्लाइंट्स के लिए, कभी वो करप्ट हो गया एग्जाम्पल लीजिए आप, तो आप क्या करोगे? डेटा आपका खत्म हो गया। वी रिकमेंड यू कि आप उसमें हाई ड्यूरेबिलिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करें, जिससे आपका डेटा हमेशा सिक्योर रहे आपको लेके वैसा रहे।
ओके।
या
एक बार अगर इन एप्लीकेशंस को हम यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है, डेटा नॉर्मल हम मेमोरी यूज़ करते हैं, तो उसका क्या कुछ डेंजर भी हो सकता है? कुछ ऐसे भी एप्लीकेशंस हैं कि अगर लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल मेमोरी करप्ट हो जाती है, स्टोरेज करप्ट हो जाता है, तो ह्यूमन पे कुछ डेंजर भी आ सकता है? ऐसे भी कुछ इसके
Yeah,
एप्लीकेशन?
see, like in medical application, you see, medical application, uh, the process going on, okay, processor is working on that. Some way it's stuck with the memories, okay. So on that application also some human issues are also come up. So it's maybe there's a very less chances, but some chances are there.
There can be
Yeah,
death
yeah,
also.
see, yeah. So you yes, in medical application it will impact.
देयर कैन बी डेथ ऑल्सो।
Yeah,
जैसे
that.
अभी हम बात करते हैं कि रोबोट्स जो हैं वो सर्जरीज भी कर रहे हैं,
Yes, 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 yes,
तो
yes.
अगर जब वो सर्जरी कर रहे हैं और उसमें अगर लेट्स से इक्विपमेंट्स फेलियर है,
Yes,
देन
yes,
इट कैन रिजल्ट
yes,
इन
yes.
डेथ ऑल्सो।
That can do. That's why see robots in robotics also generally you see the market, okay, they using high endurance memories only. Yeah.
एंड इज देयर एन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ these things in aviation sector also, like airplanes,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
airports?
there are a lot of see right now in industry lot of robots are used in aviation industries like cleaning robots. They are based on memories, they are high reliability memories only. Because see, if a robot can stop working, it will impact their whole working cycle. So they only use a high reliability products only.
Okay.
Yeah.
From semiconductors to electronics,
Yeah.
Taiwan has become the powerhouse of
Yeah.
it. What do you think is the reason behind this massive success?
Massive success. See, Taiwan is just not about manufacturing. It's about creating an ecosystem. They have created their own ecosystem for innovation, for manufacturing, for development. They have hugely invested on R&D activities, for market research, okay, and they are growing in globally, okay. They are working globally to expand fastly. Like you heard about the news of memories, so Taiwan is very good in memories. They are expanding very fast in memories. And that's why I think Taiwan is going very fast, and the reason behind for this is only their collaborative approach and ecosystem they develop.
Okay, and if we talk about your company ADATA, what are your clients like? Who are the people who take your services?
So see, any company who are making computing things, okay, like processings, they require the memory storage. They are a client. We are globally second largest DRAM SSD module manufacturers.
Okay. And why should they choose you over your competitors?
If I tell about ADATA, so ADATA is have a very collaborative approach, and they always don't selling products. They have a always have problem solving techniques. Okay, so sales after support is very good of our company, and we have a presence in India. We have a good team in India who can closely work with the customers and close the issues very fastly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll be asking you some questions, rapid round,
Okay.
right? And you got to answer very fast.
Yes.
Yeah. AI or human intelligence?
Human intelligence enhanced with AI.
Okay.
Yeah.
India's biggest technology opportunity?
I think semiconductor.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बाय द वे सेमीकंडक्टर्स में अभी की हम बात करें तो व्हाई डू यू थिंक एज अ कंट्री वी आर नॉट वेयर अदर कंट्रीज आर?
See, right now we are competing very fast. We're growing very fast. Previously, we are getting with good support from other countries, so we are not that much focused. We have other things which we have to focus. But right now, after COVID, you have robot news that India is growing very fast for semiconductor. Now they have good operations in India for semiconductor manufacturing. Yeah.
Okay, and what is that one skill which will never go off demand?
I think curious to learn new things.
Okay.
It's never get off demand.
Okay. Most exciting industry right now?
I think semiconductor.
Semiconductor.
Yeah, everyone. See, I tell you one thing. Before COVID, no one know about semiconductor. But in COVID time, you heard about that. Ki there's shortage of semiconductor just because of that. Car delivery get late. Prices are very increased. After that, even a पान टपरे वाले भी दे नो अबाउट सेमीकंडक्टर जस्ट बिकॉज सेमीकंडक्टर ओनली ये चीज़ें लॉस हो रही हैं महंगी हो रही चीज़ें.
सेमीकंडक्टर जो है वो दूसरे इंडस्ट्रीज को भी काफ़ी हद तक इम्पैक्ट करता है अभी भी COVID
yes
के
yes
बाद
yes
भी?
yes see previously things are good on mechanical thing but right now due to innovations so everything's come with semiconductor only. You think about automations, you think about TVs, television, AI, all comes with semiconductor only.
Okay. One habit that has helped you in your career?
The best thing about it is always learn a new thing. Always have a learn a new thing.
Okay. SSDs or cloud?
See, without SSD, cloud is not possible because behind the cloud, SSD is only the application.
Okay.
Yeah.
If there is one lesson that you will have to give to all the founders, entrepreneurs, business owners, what would it be?
Never, what a best thing about say, never judge a product by its prices. It's only pricing. Okay. See, everything's become costly just because of their advantages. Like, see example of our industrial products. Okay. They are costly because they have a lot of advantages. And if its application suits your, if this product suits your application, you can use that products.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acha, for a minute, I'll go back to the medical equipments that we were talking about. That there can be a medical failure if memory is not great. Hospitals know it because they are at front end. How will I as a consumer know कि ये जो hospital है ये कौन सी grade की memory use कर रहा है? Are there any symptoms of that?
See, you cannot because see, it's a product. Okay, inside the products, it's industrial grade or consumer grade. You don't know, but if you can ask with the manufacturer, कि what's the specification of the product and it's an industrial grade, so he will tell you about it. The memory which you use in industrial grade and automotive grade, this all thing they will tell you. But after seeing that, you cannot understand the process of industrial because see, both work same, but after certain time when failure come, then you can understand the things. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So हम अपने लिए let's say कोई storage या memory card purchase कर रहे हैं उसमें there is a way for us to know.
Yeah, you can go with detailed data sheet. Okay, right now, so you can understand it's industrial grade and it's a consumer grade.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you कुलदीप for coming for this podcast. आपने लोगों को वो information दिया है जो अभी तक हमें नहीं पता था.
Right.
And I hope it will be valuable for people. Thank you so much for watching this podcast till here. अगले podcast में कौन से guest को बुलाऊं comment में बता के जाना. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.